In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create contacts in Odoo, step by step, ensuring that you can manage your contacts efficiently and effectively within this powerful platform. Our journey begins at the Odoo dashboard. This is your central hub for everything in Odoo, and it's where you'll find the Contacts application. Simply click on the Contacts app to open it, and this is where the magic begins. Once you're inside the Contacts app, you'll want to look for the option to create a new contact. This is done by clicking on the New button. It's usually prominently displayed, making it easy for you to start adding new contacts immediately. When you click it, you'll be prompted to choose whether the contact you're creating is a person or a company. This step is crucial as it helps categorize your contacts properly for better organization and management. After deciding whether it's a person or a company, you'll need to start entering the contact's information. Input fields will appear, and this is where you'll type in details like the name, address, phone number, and email, among other relevant information. It's important to fill out as much detail as possible because this information will be essential for future interactions and transactions with this contact. Once you've filled everything, look for the Add Contact button and click it. This will create the contact in your Odoo system. But we're not done just yet. It's time to refine the information. You might see additional fields or options. Make sure you go through these and add any more necessary information that might be pertinent to your contact's record. If needed, you may even click on Save and Close to ensure that all your work up to this point is recorded accurately. Now let's dive into some additional options that can be very useful. You can click on the Sales and Purchase tab. Here, you have the opportunity to add any sales or purchase related information that might be relevant to this contact. Likewise, the Accounting tab allows you to input any financial details. It's important to check these sections for accuracy since they play a crucial role in transactions associated with your contacts. Lastly, if you have any additional remarks or reminders, head over to the Notes section. This is where you can jot down notes that might assist others using the same contact or detail anything unique about your interaction with this contact. Remember, Odoo automatically saves all the information, which ensures nothing is lost even if you navigate away or accidentally close the browser. And that's it. You now know how to create and manage contacts in Odoo with ease. With everything saved automatically, you can rest assured that the contact information is secure and you're well prepared for all future interactions. Thank you for watching and happy organizing.